Have you ever felt overwhelmed by endless emails from the same sender cluttering your Gmail inbox? What if I told you there's a way to automatically delete them without ever touching the delete button again? Today, I'll show you exactly how to do that in just a few simple steps. First, open your Gmail account. At the top of your inbox, you'll notice the search bar. And right next to it, a small downward arrow or filter icon. Click on that. This will open up Gmail's advanced search options, which let you filter messages based on specific details. Now, in the field labeled From, type the email address of the sender you want to automatically delete. Maybe it's a newsletter, a spammy promo, or any sender you no longer want to see in your inbox. Once you've entered the email, look at the bottom right corner and click on Create Filter. A list of actions will appear. This is where the magic happens. From these options, select Delete It. This tells Gmail to automatically move all future emails from that address straight to the trash, completely skipping your inbox. Finally, click Create Filter once more to save your changes. And that's it. From now on, Gmail will instantly delete any email from that sender without you lifting a finger. Just keep in mind, emails in the trash stay there for 30 days before being permanently deleted, so you have time to recover them if needed. This simple trick can keep your inbox clean, organized, and free of distractions, so you can focus only on the messages that truly matter. If you found this helpful, make sure to keep exploring more smart Gmail tips like this one to take full control of your digital space.